The first thing for me is important is music. To be on beat. Yes. So be on the music. This is the first thing for any dancer that's freestyling. Second, maturity in your dance. La maturidad?
Madurar.
See, so like, for example, if you look at a baby, it's like walking like this,
Yes.
right? When a beginner starts dancing, because you don't control your body, it looks like you don't know what you do, and that's the thing. For me, what's important is to for like the maturity in you, in your dance, that you are sure about what you're doing.
Yes.
It doesn't mean that you have to do it. That even if you're doing it wrong, if you're so confident about what you're doing,
Yes.
it makes it mature than somebody, like if you're like doubting, like let's say you want to go there but you're not so sure it's gonna look like this. But if you go like this,
Yes. Yes.
even if you go like this, but it's so convincing. That's the thing. Like for me, I like to see people that are convinced and confident on about what they're doing. You know. So don't be scared to do wrong. Like I say,
Yes.
it's like for me, it's this maturity in a way that you're confident, and of course technique because of course dancing is technical and musicality. And then after, yeah, there's many other things, but for me the most important is this. When you do wave, it's to really go through every part of your body until the end. Okay, because I see this. See? It's like here, 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 and then blah. And it should be until here, here, and here should be should really feel it until the last moment. See? And then the same when you take it, same here, 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 here. You understand?
Yes.
So one more time, try to really push it. So when you hear, push in, push. See? And then push pop. Boom, boom, pop. Yes? Easy, easy. it's like it take you to somewhere, right? So when you do the wave here, it's the same. You can, in fact, it's taking you here, here, here to go. You know, so the body has to go with it, not stay here. It's like boom, go, go. You know, push to where you your wave is taking you. Yes. Boom. Yes. Hey. Boom. Yes. Boom. And back. Hey. Boom. Yes. Boom. Hey. Yes. Nice. My teacher, like my mentor, he was really like telling me to go hard, you know. But you see how I am, I say harder, harder, like military. But because for me that's how I got trained to really like go more and more and more and more. So I used to do very physical stuff, like I would be putting music, maybe 10 songs and just pa pa pa, like hard, 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 like, and then until like it burns, you know. This or like even push-ups, like boom, 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 you know, like stuff like this. She does too. Yes. Yeah. So I think it helped me to be strong, but I don't do it anymore. I used to.
How many years did you do that?
For like hardcore training,
Yeah.
maybe. I don't know, but many years. A good 5, 7, 6, 7, yeah.
Wow. That's
Every single day?
Not every day, but almost. I would really like my brain was just this. I would wake up thinking about it, you know, about popping out, like, oh, what can I do?
It's like a routine.
Yeah. It's like when you're addicted to something.
Yeah.
So I would wake up while eating, thinking, and then practicing, and then every time, reading, you know, everything. Like everything. Like I would like always put music, and then even I would be always late, always and always late, because instead of like I have to here, there, to take this, and here. Oh shit! always. So I would be always, like in between doing like some free stuff, and then So it was like I was really living only this, and then for many years, because I was also very into battles. So when you're into battles, it's like it's so. So competitive at the end, and then I am a competitive person, so like I was really always like have to be my best, you know. So then it would push me to.
Is it like this in France? Like all the dancers, hip hop?
But because there's so many battles that and it's in the culture. Hip hop, you do battles. It's the way it is. Like nowadays, it's starting to go a bit more, you know, like other things. But the essence of hip hop is, you cipher, you battle people, you train, you battle again. Okay, everybody do this. Up and now again. Now. Ta ta. Why ta ta ta? Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta ta. So now, same. Ta ta ta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta ta ta. Now, when you do this, ha ha ha. Try to hold the movement so that it doesn't go ha ha ha, but ha ha ha. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha ha ha. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha ha ha. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha ha ha. No, better. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ha ha ha. Yes. So you see, it's this here. Ha ha ha. But at the same time, I do ha ha ha. Like imagine there's a ball. It goes here, here, ball, here, ball, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so you have to imagine here. It goes like pin, 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 bang, bang, bang. Yes?
Yes.
Uno más. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa, pa, pa. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta. Huh? Relax. Because if you're already here, you know, relax. So you can boom, boom, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push, push, push. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push, push, push. Yes. 5, 6. Many people too fast on the music. Do you realize? Who thinks quién piensa que va más rápido que la música? Sí. La mano.
No, que va más rápido.
Que va más rápido que la música.
¿Quién siente que va más rápido que la música?
Sí, ¿quién? Hay mucho ¿Por quién? ¿Ya? Pero, listen, escucha. Everybody, let's go. I can't tell if the dancer is good or not because it's certain technique, it's my technique that I give to somebody else that maybe that person has his own technique and then has to kind of tweak his technique to fit mine, you know what I mean? So then you can't really tell, oh, this guy is good, oh, this girl, you know what I mean? It's like, for me to be able to say something, it's like I need to see them freestyling and maybe battling and stuff, you know? And because I didn't have the chance to really see people freestyle, like I can't really tell.
Don't eat the check. To eat my check. If you gonna eat my check,
Swing.
eat my check. Don't talk the shit.
No hace nada, no hace. ¿Sí? No hace nada.
This is man. For us to split, it must be man. For us to split, I be the man. I understand. I understand. I be the man. So what you
Yes,
do?
better.
It's up to you. It's up to you. What you do? It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you.
yourself to learn. You have the chance, like now, to be able to learn from internet, from people. The best for sure is to learn from people, you know. So when there are people coming to teach, go to the classes. Like it's such a chance. Because for example, when I started dancing, like there was no YouTube, there was no, I didn't have internet at all. You know, it's like all you had to do was to kind of imagine yourself or watch some VHS videos or stuff like this, you know. So, and then one time, and then after I had chance because there was dancers from Paris and from another city that came to my city to teach, and this for me is like the biggest chance, you know. So whenever you have a chance, again, to go take a class, take it, take the information, practice, because if it goes like it's useless, you know.
A lot of home training.
Yeah, home training or training together. If you go to party, you know, it's. Beside all the dance, I think it's also important to learn the history. To learn history of hip hop, to learn history of popping, of locking, of all this, to understand this dance, because it's like you're gonna do certain movements, but certain movements have a story, so, like it has a meaning, you know. So for me, it's like if you really, really want to dance the dance style, you have to understand where it comes from. So then you can actually live it, you know, for real. Like for me, otherwise it's just you're miming something that you don't even know, you know. The culture, the history, the people that were there before, even if it's styles or like that you don't like. Like for example, I'm talking in popping. There's many different styles, you know, like boogaloo, animation, this and that. But it's good to know, and then you can choose actually what you like or what you don't. And yeah. So do your homework, Muchas gracias. As you can see, I try to really teach you the technique of popping for you to understand how to be on the music and how to use each part of your body. Also, like I try to also teach you a little bit of balance stuff. which for me popping is, in popping what I use a lot is technique of popping, contraction of muscles. I use a lot of difference of energy, and I use a lot my balance to give like some effect. So that's why like those kind of things, like it's nice like when you're dancing to like just having this, it gives effect to your dance just because you play with your balance. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So this is little things that maybe you can try to practice on. And then the last thing, the little routine is for you to understand coordination of movements, you know, like how we connect certain steps, like the walkout, and then what else do we do? What do we do? Da-da-da. Like this kind of stuff, boom. You know, it's like for you to kind of, for the ones that never did popping or did maybe a little bit, to know a little bit of the flow of popping. Yeah? So voilà, muchas gracias. I hope you enjoy. If you have a question, you can ask me. And thank you for the energy.
Thank you.
Yes.